Welcome to another um welcome to another week, welcome to another episode of the Forex weekly analysis. So I do this analysis every weekend, pretty much on weekend I try to analyze the week, how the Forex analysis is going to be for the week, not just on stocks market, on cryptocurrency and on Forex, means the Forex pair. So welcome to today's to this week's Forex weekly analysis, and my name still remains Mr. Kaz. And yeah, how are you guys doing? How is you guys doing? How was your weekend? Wherever you might be, how was your day? How was your night? How was last week trading? And yeah, last week trading could have been I know it could have been a little bit it could have been a little bit ups and down because like I said, I literally came here last week to tell you everything that was going to be happening in the Forex market. I told you there was going to be news. As you can see, we had interest rate news. The United States did not increase interest rates. We have the BOE, the Bank of England. They came, so the market was ups and down. But at the end of the day, everything went as planned. You know what I'm saying? Everything that the funniest thing is everything that I literally came on here to tell you guys literally happened. Are you getting me? Literally happened. So we're gonna go through last week review of what happened in the market and what I told you guys. Literally, like every little thing that I told you guys was gonna happen happened. So we're gonna go through those review. Then we're gonna look at this week analysis. What are we going to do this week? What are we going to do this week? What is this week looking like? You know, are we looking at some potential pips or some potential stay away or whatever we have to do? We are going to analyze it right here. Like I said, Forex is easy. The only thing that is hard when it comes to Forex is the psychology, your mental stability. You're doing the same thing consistently over and over and over. And even sometimes you might take huge losses. Sometimes it's going to take you times and time. It's going to take you, months. It's going to take you days to figure out. But at the end of the day, persistency matters. You have to be persistent. Just be persistent and have faith, not just in God, but have faith in yourself. Sometimes delete the noise. The noise is there. Like the past couple days now, I've just been trying to be in a like a noiseless kind of environment, so you can literally focus and hear that, that inner you when it comes out. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. So like I said, Forex is very very easy. The only thing that is hard is what the psychological part of it. And when you can master yourself and your psychological state of being, I think you should be able to do anything, and you should be able to tackle any task at any particular point in time. So let us go to the market. Before we do that, let's just quickly go through the news. Let's see what we got for news this week, and let's see if there's anything that might be bothering us when it comes to trading. So I'll quickly turn up my news trade so you can see what's going on with news. Let's see what's going on with news real quick. Forex pattern. Let's see what's going on with news. Let's see what news is looking like for this week. Let's see this week. Let's see what's happening for this week. So this week, we have on Monday is pretty much clean. There's no news. It's just a bunch of FOMC members that is going to be coming for Bank of England, Bank of United States. All these FOMC people are going to be speaking whatever. So we don't have no red folder on Monday. So Monday is pretty clean. For Tuesday, we have climate change, which is like this pretty much is like unemployment when it comes to United Kingdom. So this is unemployment. It's just pretty much saying like their unemployment and employment rates. So they are expecting bigger numbers. So if they are expecting much more numbers. They are expecting 22.3k. So which might be bad for the currency. So yeah, but we should look out for that, and that comes out during London session. So for that on Tuesday, on Tuesday also we have CPI. Wow, this is nice. We have CPI on Tuesday, and we have core CPI. We have almost all the CPI. We have the monthly CPI. We have the yearly. So everything for Tuesday is going to be a very volatile day. Very, very volatile day. So you have to watch out. And you always want to trade after the news. Don't jump in before the news. Wait at least 15 minutes for after the news for price to hit the higher time frame point of interest, and you can take your switch trade from there. So Tuesday is going to be a very volatile day, which means it's a good day for trading. Okay, but make sure you're very, very careful. On Wednesday we have odd whatever that's in Asian session, so we don't really care about that. Or else if you trade Asian session, that's a good opportunity to get volatility. Then on Thursday for AUD pairs also, they're going to be having unemployment and employment change. So that's another day. If you trade Asian session, be careful. You can trade the volatility for the news also. So on Thursday also we have the GBP for pounds. So in the United Kingdom they are going to be reviewing their GBP. They are expecting lower numbers, so that might be very, very bad for pounds. As you can see, it's a very, very bad number. As you can see, they are expecting 0.00%. So that's going to be very bad. Same Thursday, we have PPI, we have CRS, PPI again, retail sales, unemployment. So this week is going to be jam-packed, guys, with a lot of news. And Jerome Powell, our big guy on the top. I think right now, after Donald Trump is like the boss right now. Donald Trump literally controls every candlestick in the market right now. It's so crazy. Donald Trump controls the market right now. So and Jeremy Powell is like the second guy. So we have CPI on Thursday. We have CPI. So around here ish, around 130. But this you don't really have to do anything. Just wait till after the news is over and you can take your trade on the point of interest in the higher time frame. So you don't have to be scared. So Friday is pretty much alright too. We have a little bit news. So back to the chart. We've analyzed what is going on with the news. We've seen that the news could be a little bit, trick-ish kind of way, and we can look out for that. We can look out for that somewhere. But so now let's try to go to what we have for, let's see the chart. Let's see what we have. As you all know, last week if you go to my what's it called, I told you we are expecting what? We are expecting more sales. We are expecting more dollar strength. Easy, man. I said we are expecting more dollar strength, and I told you like 3 points where I was expecting more for the market to go and sell, and this was the point where I said the market can do what? The market can go up to that area and to buy. Just literally go to my last week video, which is on the on May 4th or some ish, and see where I actually said these are the place where I want to see price create a equal high and the sell. So because like I said, markets literally, one thing with the market is this, and if you can kill this streak, I think you should be very okay. Soon as market breaks the structure, right? Market breaks the structure, it creates like a block around here, which means this right here is protected, and we've broken structure. So anytime we break a structure like this, market does two things. Markets will go, then retest that. It probably retest maybe your it probably retest if you are SMC or ICT, you guys call it fair value gap or other block. If you are into supply and demand, there might be a supply area somewhere over there. So markets will do that. Then depending on when the closes is, if it closes down during certain times of the day, it could do what? It could retest that support, it could retest that resistance area again, or maybe your demand or whatever zone it is. So that's how market usually likes to move. Anytime there's a break of structure, market will create equal highs again, or equal lows in order for it to sell again. So as you can see, we saw that what happened last week, and I said it. Soon as we saw this break of structure right here, markets slowed down, and I was saying on Sunday night, I told you guys that markets will literally test this area again, this what's it called, resistance again, which market did, and this is for Euro USD. Literally, markets went over there, test that resistance once again, and we was able to get all this sell. And I think this happened on I think this happened somewhere around on Tuesday, and there was just small. And if you miss that opportunity, you can literally go to the lower time frame, and there was just more trading opportunity. As you can see, markets created more trading opportunity. This was on Wednesday, this was on Thursday, and I think this was on Friday. So these were just all the trading opportunity that he was able to catch on last week. And I think there was 2 or 3 that a couple of my team caught, and it was pretty nice. Now we are still in the same selling opportunity. Market can still decide to do the same thing and sell up or downside. So as you can see, we are expecting a lot of more dollar strength. Like this week, we are expecting more dollar strength. Just keep looking for more dollar strength. And if you're having more dollar strength, like I keep saying, if the dollar is strong, that means GBP USD, Euro USD, they are going to be what? They are going to be weak, so we can sell them. As you can see, this is the DXY. Always analyze the DXY. The DXY is the dollar. So as you can see, like I explained to you guys last week, based on the fact that I saw this last week monthly candle close, I saw it close below this support zone right here. This support zone, I saw this candle close below this support zone, so it weakened this support zone. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting kind of like huge momentum. To be honest with you, I'm expecting dollar to keep strengthening up. All the way to 115. That's for the DXY. I'm expecting the DXY to go all the way to 115. Like I said, it might not happen in 2-3 days. This is a move of the year right here. This move is going to happen till pretty much December. I'm expecting dollar to go back to 115. And yeah, because like I said, this support zone, price weakened it. Price did not break it. Price weakened it. So anytime there's a wick like that, okay, like for example, if you are on a support or a resistance zone, and price does something like this, where it created a wicked the resistance zone, where there's something like this, and there's this right here. I'm expecting just price to just keep going. Okay, so that is what I saw happen around this monthly support zone. As you can see right here, price weakened it. So I'm expecting more strength when it comes to the dollar. I'm expecting more dollar strength. So that is just that. For dollar, if you are in Euro USD, like a lot of people don't really trade the DXY in my country, because of the what's it called? Because of the spread. But for euro, which is like the inverse of the dollar, Euro USD, just keep looking for more selling opportunities. We are looking for more selling opportunities when it comes for the Euro USD. Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, NZZ USD. We are looking for what? We are looking for more sales opportunity. I mean, you can buy, but majority of you know that if you're going to buy, that's just going to be scalping opportunity. You are just scalping the buys. But the long moves, the swing moves are going to come from what? For the sales. So just keep looking out for more selling opportunities for your GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, and NZZ USD. So that's pretty much it for the currency. Let us go to our cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency, guys, listen. 3 weeks ago, I was telling you guys, buy more crypto because the cryptocurrency is going to skyrocket. All right, cryptocurrency is going to the moon, guys. It's going to the moon. moon. And BTC USD, it's crazy. You can watch my video 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, I told you guys, buy what? Buy your cryptocurrency. And look at where we are right now. Look at where we are. Just look at this move right here. How can this move not happen to anybody in the entire market? Okay, just look at this. Just look at this. I literally came here to explain to you guys how this move is going to happen, and it's literally happened exactly the way we analyzed it on my YouTube channel. Just go, I don't know, I think it's 2 weeks, I think it was 3 weeks video from now. Just go back to the previous video. This trade was analyzed on this YouTube channel, and I'm so glad because we have a couple, like maybe 1 week candle more for us to tap this zone. And can we have more? Like I keep telling you guys, I'm expecting this to go up further to at least 150. I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach 150, guys. I'm not joking. This is not a joke, right? This is not anything. I'm expecting gold to reach at least, once we break out this, once we break this right here, soon as we break this 112, which was the previous zone, soon as we break this right here, which is the previous zone, we are expecting what? We are expecting another rally to at least 150. Before the year end, we should reach 150, guys. We should reach 150. That is not any option. We are going to 150. We are going to 150. All right. So keep your cryptocurrency, whichever one you own, whether it's BTC, whether it's Ethereum, just hold it. It's going to the moon. And if you want to get into this trade, I will advise you not kind of right now. If you have missed this opportunity, you want a retest to some of these zones in order to continue. So how do you get a retest? As you can see, we already see where the market is right now. For us to get a retest, we need price to what? To hit this zone first. Soon as it hit this zone, it might create some kind of movement to the downside. Then we can get a retest. But as of right now, you might just take the scalping opportunity. Just take the mini scalp. Take the mini scalp and leave the market. Take the small scalp. As you can see, just keep taking the small scalps that happen every day. Just keep taking the small scalp. But if you want the big move, you might really want for market to have a great retest, and you can be alright. But for that, for cryptocurrency, we are here to hit target. We are still here to hit target. Target is back to the old highs, which is 109,921. That is our target. So we are still going there. It might take the next maybe couple weeks to hit there. But if you are in BTC right now, just keep adding more buying position. Just keep adding more buying position. Wait for market to test a previous support and continue the buys from there till we reach this target, which is 109,941. Then once market breaks that high, we might shoot up all the way to 150. So that's it for BTC. Let us see what NAS is doing. Like I said, NAS also, it's beautiful, guys. NAS also is doing his thing. NAS is doing his thing very, very nice. As you all know, I called NAS to go to where did I say NAS is going to? This was my analysis for NAS. Oh, no. NAS 100. Do we have analysis for NAS? Okay, so this was our analysis for NAS. Still moving. As you can see, we're expecting it to hit this zone right here. And it's been moving. He's been moving, day by day, and we still got a long way to go, guys. We still got a long way to go. Okay, so NAS 100, like I said, NAS 100 is still going to be going. We have more rooms to go. We still have to test this zone right here, then to see if we can break it. Once we break it, we're creating a new high all the way to the moon, guys. So you guys still have an opportunity to buy more stocks. If you like stocks, like for example, I'm gonna give you guys do you know the best stock for you guys to buy right now? The best stock for you guys to buy right now, if you have good amount of money, buy some Tesla stocks. Why can't you buy Tesla stock right now? Look, Tesla stock is the best. Listen, guys. Guys, I am literally giving you guys big freaking way to actually double whatever it is you have. This is Tesla stock right now. And for some of you guys that like Elon Musk can literally make you money right now. This is Tesla stock right now. Because I was telling you guys last week, every stocks under the NAS 100, every single stock, whether it's Microsoft, Tesla, Google, they all are the cheapest right now. Every one of them is at the cheapest. So right now, I mean, Tesla is at 290. I mean, anybody can still say 290 is very expensive. But look, we are going to the highs, guys. It has created a equal lows, created a nice equal low. We are going to what? We are going back to $500, which is the original high. And I can bet you, once we get to $500, we are going what? We are going back to probably 700, or by the time the next 2-3 years, Tesla stock is going to be sitting at $739. I'm definitely telling you guys that right now, that in the next, I don't know, in the next, give it maybe the next 1 or 2 years, Tesla stock might reach or it might reach $800. And I don't know, in the next, let's say in the next 2-3 years or 4-5 years, Tesla stock might, because guys, listen. So let me tell you something about Tesla. The parent company, right? The parent company, they have so many innovations going on right now. This guy literally controls the United States of America with Donald Trump. So now that the stocks has created its lowest, a lot of rich people are buying right now. All these billionaires, they are buying Tesla stock around this zone right now. So now the previous zone was at 482. It went all the way down to what? 243, right? So that's half of the price of the stock. So now all these rich people, they've started buying. You see, as you can see, they've started buying these stocks, and now the stock is what? Going back to the previous high, which is at $500. So now if it gets back there, do you think it's going to go down to 42? No, it's going to keep going back up. So if you have the good amount of money right now, start buying those stocks. Buy as much as possible you can buy. Don't buy it for yourself. Buy it for your kids. Buy it for for the next 20 years. And I could promise you, it could be so expensive right now, but these stocks are going to double. They are going to multiply. They are going to triplify. It might be very expensive. That Tesla stock might be sitting at 3 or 4 times compared to what it was right now. So that's how you are able to know what is going on when it comes to NAS 100, because NAS 100 tells you what is going on around all the freaking the best 100 companies, the best 100 companies in the stock market, the best 100 tech companies in the United States. So yeah, so go buy some Tesla stocks, buy some Nasdaq stocks, and just wait for your money to keep going up and up and up and up. So what else am I looking for? We've done NAS 100, we've done cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, and trust me, I could have done any other cryptocurrency, which is like Solana, Ethereum. But guys, if Bitcoin is going up, every other ones are going up. So I don't care whatever crypto it is, as long as Bitcoin is going up, every other ones are going to follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is going to 150, Ethereum is also going to what? 6,000 or 7,000, whatever. Solana is going to wherever all-time highs it is. So yeah, so that's for Bitcoin. For NAS 100, let's see the JPY pairs. I might do GBP JPY, because that's like everybody's favorite JPY pairs. So I'll just do GBP JPY, and we'll just see what is going on around there. As you can see, this is GBP JPY, a lot of people might like doing this channel right here. They might like doing this channel and just see what is going on, and just kind of like fuzzy around. And I mean, it's not like, this is not like the way I trade, but just looking at what the currency is doing, it gives you like a, it gives you like a zone. And yeah, so if you're looking at GBP me personally, all right, me personally, based on what I'm seeing from the higher time frame, based on what I'm seeing from the high time frame right here, we have a liquidity sweep. Price has broken this zone right here. As you can see, price has broken it. So this zone right here has been broken, guys. So this zone has been broken. So now we are going back. We tested this zone. We are going back to 207. And if we can break it back 207, we can hit more zone. We can hit this new zone right here, and we can keep going. So those are our zones. As you can see, we are in a channel right now, and this channel created a break of structure somewhere around here. We got a break of structure, and this channel is being created right here. So what are we expecting? I'm expecting something like this to test this channel and test right here. Pretty much easy, right? Super easy. So as you can see, we have what? We have price going in the upward momentum. Price is going in the upward momentum, and you should be looking for more buying opportunity. All right, we're looking for more buying opportunity. So you can just keep buying the JBP pairs. You can keep buying them. Keep buying them, because price has as long as price keeps breaking the highs, we can keep buying them. All right, so price comes here. If price comes here now, if price comes here, break this, all right, then we can look for what? More buying opportunity to continue back in the upward direction, all the way to what? All the way to this zone right here. So soon as we break out of this channel, we are expecting more buying opportunity all the way to 208, guys. So 208 is where we are going forward for GBP/JPY. And yeah, what else? Let us check out gold. So do you guys understand how I did this? This is so weird. Like the way I just draw this channel, break out of this channel, we have this. I can give you an example of how this channel has pretty much. For example, let me give you one quick example of same channel is on BTC USD. Quick one, just quick one. This right here, this example I'm giving you guys was last time. That was last year. If you go to my video from last year where I predicted BTC going all the way to where it was right now. There was a time, if you guys remember my videos from last year, I drew the same channel. right here. For my last year video, I drew the same channel. From BTC last year, and all I was expecting was, soon as we was able to break out of this channel, we retested it, boom, Bitcoin shot all the way to that. So the same thing is going to happen with BTC, with GBP/JPY. If we are able to break that channel right there, expect more buying opportunity for GBP/JPY. And yeah, expect more buying opportunity once we are able to break this channel right here. As you can see, we've created break of structure. We are in a kind of like a range. As soon as we break it, we are going up the way to 207. So guys, just keep looking for more buying opportunity when it comes to your GBP/JPY. And yeah, and what else? For gold, XAUUSD is looking super delicious. So guys, as you all know, right now we are in a test zone. We are in a test phase right now. we are pretty much testing. Gold, a lot of people are panicking. Gold is selling, gold is selling, gold is selling. Gold is not selling. Gold is just retesting, guys. As I've already told you guys, gold is just retesting. Right now there's still so many opportunity for gold to go back up, but we don't have anything to foil it. Are you getting me? We don't have anything to foil it. We don't have everything. There's no geopolitical tension. So right now everything is just kind of in a mess. We are just kind of like seeing what the market is going to do. Are you getting me? But as you all know, we are in a mess right now. We are in a big mess. So we are expecting what? We are expecting gold to what? To keep buying. And yeah, so market can literally go back here and sell back to what? Sell back to the top, because right here we are sitting on a support zone around this area. So we are expecting gold to keep buying. Probably before the end of this year or month, we might reach 4,000. We might reach 4,000. So we are just expecting gold to give us more buying opportunity. As of right now, you can take the sales cap. Are you getting me? You can take the sales cap. If you are selling, you want to take some sales cap, you can sell from the what? From the resistance zone. You can sell and just sell all the way down, all the way to what? You can sell all the way down to this support zone right here. So from your resistance zone, you can sell all the way to this support zone to continue what? To continue the buys. To continue the what? To continue the buys. And we should be able to hit 4,000 before the end of this year, hopefully. So yeah, so gold is still good. Don't panic. As you can see, this is a market that has been what? This is a market that has been boo. This is a market that has been buying for days. Okay? This is a market that has been buying for days. So there's nothing for you to worry about. If you have your investment in gold, keep buying more opportunity for you to buy gold, because we are keep going up. But for day traders, just look for this week. We can look for more selling opportunities on these resistance zones. Just look for more selling opportunity all the way down to 3,200 ish. Once you get to 3,200, stop selling and just keep calm for you to be able to work, for you to be able to take the buys. So once you get to 3,206, 3,221, you can stop selling. Then let price come down to these zones for you to be able to take the buys. All right. So that's for gold. Just easy. I don't want to go to the lower time frame like the 15-minute and start looking for scalp opportunity. But these are the time frame where you want to be looking. The 4-hour time frame gives you a clear change of direction, and you can know that okay, there's a break of structure right here. We are looking for more selling opportunities in order for you to sell down to this support zone right here. There's this large support zone that can give you a momentum to the upside. So that is it for gold. And I think gold. Which other market do we have there? We have gold. Then we have NAS 100. I've been able to talk about Euro USD. For guys who wants about the GBP USD, so the same analysis I did for Euro USD is pretty much for what's it called, for Euro USD. So what are we expecting this week? So this week, like I said, we are looking for what? Euro USD, GBP, Euro USD, GBP USD, sales, gold sales, then USD, JPY, USD chef, NAS 100 buys and BTC more buys. So that's pretty much it for this week. So these are what we are looking for this week. We are looking for more sales with GBP USD. We are looking for a little bit. So this gold sales and USD are a little bit like scalp sales. And the NAS is the direction of the market, which is more buying opportunity when it comes to the NAS 100 or the US stocks. The US stock 100, you want more buying opportunity, and also the BTC of the cryptocurrency, you want more buying opportunity. So those are what we are looking for this week, and I'll be dropping more short videos for you to be able to see what is going on around the week. As you all know right now, we have to be careful because we don't know what came out during the week, during this weekend. As we all know, there's still some tension, war tension going on with India and Pakistan. So that might cause some volatility in the market. There's still the Trump tariff going on, where he's trying to settle some of those tariffs. So that might still be, so there might still be a little bit one or two news that might cause volatility. Just be careful. But for now, we are still looking for USD, GBP USD sales. Gold, we are looking for sales down to those support levels. So most of these sales right now, they are just going to support level to continue their initial direction or to change the direction of the market. But for NAS 100, for the US stocks, we are buying because we are going to create new highs. Also the BTC, we are buying because this is the initial direction of the flow of the market to create what? New highs. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm really very happy for you guys. I'm really happy that you guys are tuning on to my channel. And I just want to say one thing: it's hard, like I said, it might look hard, it might look easy, it might look hard in the beginning, but with persistence, believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, and just sometimes just block the noise. Okay, block the noise. Focus on your execution. Focus on how you can get better every day. And I mean, man, God is in control, man. God is in control. He's definitely gonna do everything as He wishes and as we plan. Okay, so have a nice trading week. If you can leave a comment on this video and ask me any question, how to join my group and all that, and I'll be sending it to you. And apart from that, have a nice week, man. Have a nice trading week. Bless and everybody watching this. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. Have a nice one. Bless you all.